The Tulip Festival actually started in 1929. There was a biology teacher by the name of Lyda Rogers who went before City Council and said, "We have a name, a Dutch name of Holland. We should plant some tulips and invite the world to come and visit." She convinced City Council to purchase 10,000 tulip bulbs, which they did. They planted them in the fall of 1928. They all came up in 1929. They sent out press releases and people came, and that was the start of it. I think the fact that there are 6 million tulips planted in the greater Holland area. We have a 260-year-old windmill that was totally dismantled, brought over from the Netherlands 50 years ago. In the downtown area, there are 35,000 tulips planted. So the tulip is really the star of the festival. But another thing that people really come to look for is our Dutch dancers. We have over 1,000 girls and a few guys, a handful of guys, that dress in traditional Dutch garb, and they do a 30-minute dance performance every night around Centennial Park, which was the old town square. So on any given night of the festival, you can see roughly 1,000 dancers all doing the same dance in these very colorful costumes, and that's huge.